Oh Lord, he coming. Got lightning over here in the sky.
I'm a little bit further down.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Liz and I'm a single mom living here in Erie, PA. And thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna take you on my day today. Oh, you want the dinosaur to watch your tablet? Okay, well let me do this intro. Eat your apple. So I'm gonna start my vlog off today. I just went live for like a little bit and that was cool. I tried out my new exercise bike while I went live. So if you haven't watched that, go watch it. And thank you to everybody that was in there and chatted and all that stuff, all the super chats and the gifts and all that. That was awesome. So thank you guys. So today we are going to go take our little kitty cat Shadow to the vet for a follow-up. And before that, I'm gonna drop Amora off with her dad because it's just, I took her to the vet the past couple times with me, which she was okay, but she gets bored. I don't know, I'd rather take it to Jorge because she's been getting kind of bored there. So it's just a little bit more relaxing, especially for Shadow, because she's doing a lot better, believe me, but like I don't want to stress Shadow out by having Amora. Like I just want to give Shadow and talking to the vet my full attention. So that's what we're gonna do. And then later on today, after the vet, Ethan is gonna get a haircut. He has an appointment at the barber, so I'm gonna take him to do that. But before all of that, I need to go grab the cat carrier box down in the basement, and I gotta clean up this mess, which Amora, you're gonna help me clean this mess up, aren't you? Yeah, so we're gonna clean up this mess in the living room that we just made and turn off all the lights to the house, get the cat ready, and get it on and popping. All right, Amora, let's clean up. Put the apple down for a second. So I have the AC blasted, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay, but I am on my way to go take Amora to Jorge to drop her off there because I gotta take Shadow to the vet. I have Shadow in here on the cage in the cage on the floor. So that's what we're going to do. It says it's 94 outside. That's what it says on my van, at least. It's sometimes different. I'm really not sure how actually accurate that is, but it seems like it's pretty accurate because it does feel very hot outside. But luckily the AC works good. Amora's with Jorge now. Jorge just gave me a couple cookies, which I just ate. I really didn't need to eat that, but they were good. They're headed off to go have fun. He mentioned something about Waldemir, so maybe they'll go to Waldemir. He said meet him up there, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time because I have to do this obviously, and then Ethan has to get a haircut. So yeah, I do want to hit up Waterworld though sometime soon, especially in this kind of weather would be perfect. Jorge gave me this Red Bull, which was nice of him. Except it's not too cold. It's kind of cold. Really, that car did not need to do all that. That was insane. Which I've been doing really, really good with no Red Bull, but it does sound good, so I think I'm gonna crack that open. I've still been drinking Red Bull, but not nearly as much and not every day. Like this morning I had a cup of coffee and that honestly like was enough. That was like enough for me, so. But I am gonna crack this open. He gave me some water, he gave me a cold water too. So let's go to the vet. You ready to go to the vet, Shadow? All right, let's go. Hello. I'm here with Shadow. You ready, Shadow? My baby. All right, so Shadow's gonna get a recheck x-ray to make sure she's healing. And so I'm just waiting for them to come back in. And I just wanted to show you guys this chart here. The chonk chart. Which one would you say Lily is? Would you say Lily is a... I know he's not that. He's either the heckin' chonkster, the hefty chonk, or the mega chonker, or oh Lord, he coming. Which one would you say Lily is? I know, a fine boy. Shadow is up here in the green, I would say. A fine boy, but she's a fine gal. Here's the dog chomp chart, the canine chomp chart. All chonk levels are good dogs. Aww. Good thing at least you ain't a chonk, right? Alright, so we're back home. Shadow's back in her area. And I'm about to take Ethan to the barber. I'm just doing a couple little things in the house before we go. Alright, so we just got back home. Ethan got his hair cut. Me and Ethan ended up going to Walmart and got a bunch of stuff. So maybe I'll do a haul, maybe not. I don't know. I'm like exhausted and I'm starving, so I need to get something to eat. So we got to get this stuff inside. Let's go. Alright. Jorge is going to be here any minute with Amora, so I'm going to have to go out and get her, but I'll kind of start showing you what we got. A thing of Amish potato salad. 2 mild cheddar slices. A watermelon, which is already in there in the fridge. I got a fan. That's upstairs, and I got this underbed bin for Sophie for her stuff. That's already upstairs. I got 2 packages of Angus beef steak burgers. Cat food. Obviously tomorrow is the 4th of July, so I got some 4th of July cookies. I have a feeling Jorge is like pulling up right now. Hamburger buns, hot dog buns, regular bread. Ethan wanted this dirty Mountain Dew. I got Dr. Pepper because Mariah requested this for when she gets back, and plus I like Dr. Pepper too, so I think all my kids pretty much do. I got this package of Pringles. Paper plates, which the Great Value ones were all picked over. There was like barely any paper plates left. So Dixie paper plates, aluminum foil. I needed lithium batteries for my camera, for my outdoor camera, security camera. And I got an 4th of July outfit for me and Amora, which I can show you, but I'm pretty sure he's pulling up now. And Ethan got a 4th of July hat that says like 250th on it. I think that was pretty much it. So, oh, and a case of water. All right, so Amora's up. We're picking up Ethan from his girlfriend's house right now, and gonna go watch the fireworks. I was double thinking if I wanted to go watch them tonight, because it's like they have the one in Lawrence Park tomorrow on the 4th. I always forget that they do Erie cities, like they do Erie's like on the 3rd. So Jorge reminded me, and I'm like, I didn't know if I wanted to because I am kind of tired, but we're going. Ethan wants to go, so we're going. All right. Ooh, the splash. All right, guys, so we're down here. And we're about to go find Jorge now because he's already down here. And I didn't know the flash was going to turn on, but we ended up finding a parking spot right off the bat, which I'm so surprised because this place is packed. We got lightning over here in the sky. It's definitely a weird vibe going on here tonight.
You walked the van, right?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. That dude was about to fight that dude. What the heck is going on here? Right here. Yeah. These cars look pretty. Shit. It's windy down here. Lots of people down here, guys. I'm so happy that I can share this with all of you.
I'm a little bit further down. Your mom teaching us not to.
There's the Niagara over there, guys. Behind the beer garden.
I'm in the food store. Stay.
Wow. Yeah, I see. Hey guys, so here's a little voiceover. I taking out the music because there's no point because I already know YouTube is going to make me take out the audio anyway, so I'm not even going to risk it, and because I want to get this video up for you as quick as possible. And we're going to go see fireworks again tonight. This was last night on the 3rd. Today is the 4th. So if you're watching it today, happy 4th of July, everybody. These fireworks that we saw down on the bay were so beautiful last night. I went live and on both my channels, but I was on live for longer on, I think, Elizabeth Veronica. And they just looked so beautiful. The ending, the finale was just like incredible. The video quality on the live is not that great, but you know, I kind of wish I would have gotten on regular footage for you guys, but that's okay because we are going to go see some more fireworks tonight, which I'm going to record some more. It might be on the next vlog because I do want to try to end off this vlog. I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys, but enjoy the rest of the video. Love y'all. All right, so they turned the lights back on. I went live. That was absolutely incredible. Thank you to everybody that was in the live. I know you guys enjoyed that. I sure as heck did. And now we got to get out of here. So let's go.
I'll see ya.
All right, bye, Jorge. I will. Say bye, Dad. Yes? Yeah, Dad's on his bike. Fireworks. They're still setting off fireworks. That was absolutely incredible. incredible, y'all. Holy crap. I hope that the live stream turned out good. I hope that I hope that that was clear because wow. Wow. Ethan said that was the best he's ever seen, and honestly, I think that was the best I've ever seen as well. No cap, y'all. Is saying no cap, is that still cool or no?
I don't know.
So we're walking back to the car. They're still setting off fireworks. That was crazy.
Everyone and their mama's got an e-bike.
I know. Jorge's like obsessed with that e-bike already. That's like that is like his thing now.
He's taking it everywhere.
Oh my god. What? Yeah, your dad went back to his house. Look, they're still putting off fireworks. I'm gonna try to edit this and post it tonight.
Yeah.
Hopefully
Well, you don't have to.
What?
You post it on the 4th.
Yeah, I could. Well, I'll have a whole bunch more festivities tomorrow. I'll have a whole nother vlog tomorrow.
Yeah, you could post it tonight.
Yeah.
Better, I guess.
There's a lot of festivities going on down here on our walk back to the car. A lot of festivities. Oh, we got the party bus over here.
Party bus.
We got the party van or whatever it is. Rep limousine. Huh?
When she rent us the party bus.
For what?
Party.
Maybe someday. Everybody's having a good old time. What, honey? So me and Amore are having some kicks. I need to get more bowls for my house. I don't have enough bowls, so I'm eating it out of this. But we're gonna eat kicks, and then I'm gonna take her back upstairs and give her a bath really quick and put her outfit on for the 4th of July. I already have mine on. And then at 2, we're gonna go to the parade in Lawrence Park. So I'll take you guys to that with us. We have a little bit of time in between now and then, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning up in my kitchen and whatnot. Baby! All right, guys, we just parked. We're in Lawrence Park, and we're about to go find a spot to watch the parade. Amora's got her outfit on. I got my outfit on, and I want to get some pictures too whenever we get to the destination. Amora's got her headphones on, ready to go. Let me clean the lens off. I'm gonna be getting my new camera really soon, guys. Are you excited? Yeah? Yeah. Should be starting soon. Oh, of course you'll take my hair clip out. Girl. You want me to put it in your hair? Let me see. Let me see. I brought my tripod. What? You want me to put it in your hair? Beep. I'm super hungry, guys. When we go home, I'm cooking. Here we are, the beginning of the parade. Hot.
I miss standing on my toes. Cause like, if I would have done that, I'll give him a hug.
Oh my god, they got a Camaro out here.
Bro, I need a flag. Don't even play with me. I need a flag.
Get a flag from her. She'll give you one. Yes, we do. Look!
Okay, give this a
Look! Look at the chips! Oh, thank you! Thank you! Look, honey! Look it! Here, look, put it in there.
American flag is getting on there.
You want the things on? You want the headphones on? What? I will leave those on if I were you.
Like, I just... Like when I was a kid, and then I would always like, at church, I would always pray for them. Oh, I know he must be sweating in that.
You waving to the doggy?
I know he is sweating.
Right? Oh my gosh.
He must be like, overhead. Oh, yeah.
All right, y'all, we are back home. I am about to get something cold to drink. I might drink one of these Dr. Peppers, actually. And I'm gonna get this food out because we're about to eat, okay? I'm about to cook these hamburgers. About to cook these. Some hot dogs. Get the cheese out. Probably only need to get one of those out. Oh, and I got watermelon too. So let's get right into this because I'm so hungry. I don't think I've been this hungry in a long time. All right, y'all, I got all my stuff here ready to go. I just gotta go get the tray here. I still have to get the plates and the watermelon and stuff like that, but I'm getting it all. We're getting it going here, okay? Okay, so my baby is eating. We're finally eating. I just got done cooking everything. Jorge's here. We're waiting for Ethan to come out. Covered his so no flies get on it because there's flies everywhere. And now I'm about to eat. Oh, we got some watermelon here I sliced up. We got some potato salad. About to have some Mountain Dew, some water, or Mountain Dew. Root beer. I don't know why I said Mountain Dew. So we're just walking. Amore's on her little car. And we ate already, which that was good because I was starving. But now I have a huge mess to clean up in my backyard, so.
I can help you.
Okay, thank you. Jorge's gonna help me though. Woo! And then we might go see fireworks in a little bit. That's not until like later on tonight though. Back in Lawrence Park where we just were for the
Hold on, stop it.
parade.
The seat folds out.
Oh, that's cool.
So you take the battery
Oh, okay, yeah, that's like the trike. That's how the trike one comes out. Oh gosh, so guys. As y'all can see, I got very burnt. I gave Jorge my sunscreen yesterday for Amora at Waldemere, and I didn't get it back from him yet. And honestly, I didn't think that I would get that burnt because I haven't got that burnt this summer so far. But it's because I wore a more low cut shirt. Whatever. So we're out here in Lawrence Park. These are just people setting off fireworks, like their own personal fireworks, but this whole parking lot is completely full. People are out here partying. As you guys can see, there's fireworks going off in the background. We're parked over here at this Burger King. And there's gonna be fireworks going off over here in a little bit. At 10. I don't know what time is it though. And Jorge's charging his bike in my van. So yeah. Jorge's going everywhere in this bike. Everywhere.
Oh yeah. Limit yourself to one thing a month. Yeah. Give yourself a budget. Yeah. Because I said, well, I got 2 drones. I mean, why would I need another one, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, your mom would have definitely killed me if she found out.
I mean, it's not my money that you're spending, so. So we're just waiting. We're just chilling. Definitely exhausted. Gotta do some things before, to get ready for the trip tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys remember last year, they were going wild out here with the personal fireworks.
One, uno, dos. Oh, wait. Yes? All right, you want me to bring it back home?
Me and Amora, we're in the back of the van, just waiting for these fireworks. We got here early. We got here really early, so we're just waiting. Watching these other random fireworks around us, and
Hi.
then when I go home, I'm gonna post this vlog.
See, look. Look, that's me.
Hi.
Say hi. Look. Hi. Hi. Oh.
All right, so me and Amora are gonna go take a little walk around here. Yeah, I'm so exhausted though. I know I probably said that like 10 times already, but I am really, and I'm just like thinking about how I have to go drive in the morning. So I'm like, ugh. But I'm trying to enjoy myself. I'm just really not looking forward too much to the driving part. But I'm excited to see my kids. So yeah, there's a lot more people here than there was last year. Last year, I feel like this whole back area was like nobody was back there, and there was somebody with like a bunch of personal fireworks, and they were going crazy with them. So yeah, I hope everybody's had a good 4th of July. I'm gonna try to get this vlog out as soon as I can when I get home. I'll show you guys these fireworks and probably end off the vlog there and go to sleep. Well, switch the laundry, clean out Shadow's litter box, maybe finish the dishes. We'll see if I can get that much done. If not, oh well, I ain't gonna beat myself up about it. I'll do as much as I can, but you know, I'm gonna try to enjoy myself, make the best of everything. And yeah, so I'll be back with y'all. I don't think that was it. I don't think that was it. I don't think that was them starting. I think that's somebody else's fireworks. I think he's trying to fit into that space. But they're way too late. Yeah. Is it still recording? Is it still recording even though the screen is on?
Touch the screen.
Okay.
Whenever it goes off, just touch the screen.
Okay.
It's touch screen.
So I'm getting this footage on Jorge's GoPro. I am so sunburned right now, and I like how you can see this on the front of the GoPro. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna end off the vlog pretty soon here. We're gonna finish watching these fireworks and head home.
I can't clap. Is that it?
Yeah. All right, y'all. We're on our way home. We just dropped Ethan's girlfriend off. I am tired. Amore just passed out back there. And I'm ending off this vlog right here because I'm I'm trying to post this ASAP when I get home because I'm about to go to sleep ASAP because I need to get up early and take a road trip. All right, me and Ethan are about to take a road trip. Amora's gonna stay with Jorge, and we're gonna go get the rest of the kids. So, if you made it to the end of this video, you already know. Leave a fireworks emoji and like the video, hype the video. I'm gonna leave the link to vote for Amora for Toddler of the Year. Jeez. In the description. And I think I said everything. Subscribe to my channels, both of my channels, Life with Liz and Elizabeth Veronica. And I will see you guys on the next video. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Mwah.